Bluey woke up early. Today was her birthday. Sunlight poured through the window, filling her room with golden light. Bingo bounced over. "Happy birthday, Bluey," she cheered. Bluey grinned. "Thanks, Bingo. Today is going to be amazing." Downstairs, Mom had decorated the living room. Streamers and balloons hung everywhere. Dad peeked from the kitchen, carrying a tray of breakfast pancakes. Bluey's tail wagged, excitement bubbling inside. She raced downstairs, almost tripping over her own paws. On the table, a pile of wrapped presents waited. Bluey's eyes sparkled. "Wow, so many gifts," she exclaimed. Mom handed her the first one. Bluey tore the paper eagerly. Inside was a shiny new coloring set. Bingo clapped. "You can draw all our adventures now." Next gift, Bluey carefully unwrapped it. It was a small remote-controlled car. "Oh wow," she gasped. "I've wanted this forever." Even Dad had a gift, a soft, fluffy stuffed dog. Bluey hugged it tightly. "This is perfect. Thank you, Dad." After opening presents, Bluey and Bingo ran to the backyard, excited to try the new car. The wheels spun quickly, racing across the grass. Mom called them in. "Time for cake." Bluey's eyes widened. Chocolate cake with colorful candles, just for her. She made a wish, closed her eyes, and blew out the candles in one big puff. Everyone cheered. Afternoon passed with laughter, games, dancing, and giggles filled the house. Bluey's new toys kept her busy, her heart full of joy. As the sun began to set, Bluey hugged her gifts. This was the best birthday ever. Bingo nodded. "We're so happy you had fun." Dad snapped a photo. "Smile, birthday girl." Bluey waved. If you loved our birthday adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more joyful moments.